Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to use Paypenny app in USA. So this app, by the way, is available in the App Store and Play Store. So you can just open the Google Play Store and download this app, or what you could do is use this on the App Store. I want you to keep in mind that this app is usually used in Canada or Europe. So, and sometimes mainly it's used to send money to India. So if you want to use this in the US, you will need to use a VPN, and you'll also need to use a bank account that also has branches in Canada. So just keep that in mind. As long as you fulfill those requirements, you will be able to download and use this app in USA. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.